VentureLift AI is now a polished dark mode workspace for entrepreneurs. The experience starts with a simple three-step flow. Then the business snapshot shows exactly what information is ready and why each field matters. Perfect All Max instantly upgrades every field into a stronger grant-ready example, so a user can start from a high-quality baseline instead of a blank form. When we run Analyze Business, the app routes through Grok first, with OpenAI and a local guardrail behind it. The result highlights the best next move, then expands into ranked actions with impact, effort, and concrete steps. From there, the founder can review improved website copy, local SEO targets, and reusable customer replies. We stage a reply, confirm the handoff summary, and finish on the export-ready proof packet for a grant review, demo call, or real small business workflow.